my name is Nina, and I'm going to be talking about cooking and kitchen safety. If you know what you're doing, you can always do what you want to do. Good morning. Today is July 17th, 2024. Today we are talking about home economics and cooking. In this topic, we are going to learn about cooking and kitchen safety. Some people like to use pancakes, so today we are going to learn how to make them. Step 1. Sift the dry ingredients together. Step 2. Make a well. Then add the wet ingredients. Stir to combine. Step 3. Scoop the batter onto a hot griddle. Step 4. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then flip. Step 5. Continue cooking until brown on both sides. When cooking, put your mittens on when taking out or putting something in the oven so you don't get burnt. If you get burnt, rinse your hand under warm water for 10 minutes. Goodbye. Have a great day.